In 3D. She's not gonna cover the face because I wanted to see her face.
With the hands up there,
yeah.
The 3D won't work right now, but hopefully she'll move and we'll get to try it a little bit. You can see her little eyeballs.
Opening her eyes. She's opening her eyes. Hi, that's your eyes. Open eyes.
Oh, lens of the eye there.
Mm.
Other one.
Mm.
I'm just trying to block her little face.
Take your hands. Take your hands, baby. I wanna see. Oh.
Kind of a front view of the face. She's still hiding it a little bit.
Oh, nice face. Oh my gosh, open eyes. Big eyeball.
I almost have the little nose and lips.
I see the nose. Nose and lips. Oh my gosh, she got a long nose.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh. That's cute.
Trying to get her chin in a little better, but she's got it tucked down.
Yeah. Oh, that's so
There you
cute.
go.
Bye. Ah, that's cute.
Her little mouth open.
Oh, the mouth is open.
There she's young.
Ah, yawn. Big yawn.
She's putting on a show.
She is.
Yes. That's cute. Cute face. There.
Sorry for the interruption.
That's fine. Oh, little big mouth. She got a long nose.
I think it's a normal size nose.
But for us in Philippines, it's long
is it?
nose.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because in Philippines we got flat nose. Yeah. I like it.
Alright, so pat down, we got that. Got all the brain stuff.
Rain
Oh.
on the side. Oh, side view.
That arm is still right there. Shoot.
Cover.
We'll try again.
She's sucking. No, she's not sucking. Just cover it.
We're gonna listen to the umbilical cord here.
Okay.
She must be moving. There we go.
What do you think the heart?
I did take a heart rate.
Is
while you
it
guys were
normal
talking.
sound?
Yeah,
Or-
we actually just take a measurement of the heart rate. This is the umbilical artery.
Okay.
So, oops, did I take that? But the heart rate I took while you guys were talking, and it was normal. It was 153 beats per minute,
Okay.
which kind of matches this because the umbilical should be close to what the heart rate is too. So the umbilical was 155. So yeah, right about the same, which is
Okay.
both good.
Good.
Little cord out there. Looks there's a heartbeat in there.
Oh, there's the little heart. I hope her heart is fine.
Hopefully we'll get some good looks at it in a little bit here. She's not in an
Yeah.
ideal spot. Well, let's see, some of the pictures I can maybe get.
That's
Here,
right.
it's showing.
Yeah, because my second born got a heart defect.
And you said he did have to have surgery.
Yeah, when he was 5 months old.
I'm sure that was stressful.
It was. Yeah, it was. But now he's fine.
Oh, good.
Yeah, it's very stinker.
Just enough to worry you. Huh?
Yeah, he thinks he knows everything now.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, he's just 3 years old. And he thinks he knows everything.
See the blood flow going through the heart there.
Yay. That's that heart. Red and blue.
Yeah, there's a bunch of heart pictures that we take. He actually is in a good spot right now. Or she, sorry. We were talking about your firstborn, same. Or your secondborn. Yeah, nice to me so far. If only she'd move her hands, right?
Yeah. Heart. Small. Pumping.
Mhm. There we go.
It's a girl.
It's a girl.
Hello there, baby girl. Hi. It's confirmed. It's a girl. Confirmed. Really, really. Yay. Finally. We got a girl. That's the right foot. I see the
The little
what
toe,
the
big
toe. Yeah. It's really a girl, huh?
Yeah, I'll try and get a better picture. I
Yeah.
just saw it
Open your legs, baby.
briefly.
I want to see. That's your foot, little foot.
All tucked up there. Should I
That's-
take that or no?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if that would make it look.
What's that?
That's the foot, just the side view. So you see the leg coming down. There's the ankle.
Oh,
Just all tucked
Oh.
up right there.
I see, I see.
Look at that belly again. Kinda. See if those hands are in a better spot.
You could do a cine flip too.
Okay. I was like, I feel like I can see it there.
Mm-hmm. I do that a lot for hands. It's like impossible to get all 5 fingers in the same shot, and it's just easier.
It's so close, like that's it. No one would believe me. Super great spot there. Oh, we need L-spine.
Oh, just gonna cooperate for that now.
We'll take it.
Good.
She's like, here you go.